What happened? My brother was riding to work when a tractor didn't see him and pulled out. That resulted in a collision. Luckily, my brother walked away without serious injuries. His bike, unfortunately, did not. The insurance company declared the motorcycle a total loss, which was a huge disappointment for my brother. He had only just bought the bike and really wanted to keep it. The insurance company put the damaged motorcycle up for auction to determine its value in its current condition. After that, they calculated the market value of the bike as it were in good condition. Those two amounts were subtracted from each other. The remaining amount is what my brother would receive if he decided to keep the bike. And that's exactly what he did. That money doesn't just mean repairs, but also lots of upgrades. As you've already seen in the footage, a lot of work has been done, but there is still plenty more to come. You can see that it already has a KTM EXC front fork, a different swing arm and the Boana rally fairing, with a custom rally tower that will be added. Once the bike is finished, it's going to be an absolute off-road monster.